All right, I'm back, and that's with a holiday. I just got kicked out, but it took me back in, and now I gotta send the screen. I gotta change the name so I know who I'm sending it to. We'll do that. Change presenter, send it to there. That is weird.
Okay, I could still see the spreadsheet. Now I can't.
I know you could. That is just weird that it does that. It
Now
actually
it's back again.
it boots me out, and I have to log back in.
Wonder why it does that.
I don't know. It does it almost every day. Usually we get through it, but usually it happens before, not in the middle of everything. But anyway,
Okay,
we're back.
I've got an insurance adjuster here, so I'm going to go ahead and hit mute and let you roll.
Okay. All right. I'll do my thing. Ow. I'll do my thing. All right. So where was I? I was going through this. We're up $3,787.50 per contract so far in the month of July. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up a net of $2,491.50 per contract. If you apply a $5 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up a net of $2,977.50 per contract. Okay, that's where you would be. Let's see. I'm gonna move that and that. Yeah, so we were up 23 ticks on the Russell, 2 on the gas, and 43 on gold. Okay, so 43 on gold. That only brought gold up to 870. Our main gainer so far in the month is crude oil, and today we didn't get anything on crude. All right, so next. If you have not taken a free trial with us, man, there are just trades all over the place today. I love the volatility today. Great volatility today. If you have not taken a free trial with us, you just need to go to CFRN.net. Okay, just need to go to CFRN.net. Once you get to CFRN.net, on the home page, in the right-hand side, it says register for a free trial. Just put in your name, put in your email address, click register for a free trial. Once you click register for a free trial, you'll be sent a link. That's a confirmation link. You need to click on that confirmation link because we don't know you registered for the free trial until you have clicked on that. Okay, that's the deal. You got to click on that for us to know that you took the free trial. Let's see, what else? That's it. Once you do that, then you'll be sent an email that says, welcome, Jim, to CFRN. And inside that email, there'll be links to get into the live trading room, links to a whole bunch of videos, links to lots of stuff. And there'll be a password in there. The password that is required to get into the live trading room will also be in there. Okay. You need to just, you need to just look at that stuff. You know, watch the videos, and get ready to be in the live trading room. The next one that's going to be sent to you is going to have some instructions on how to set up your charting platform, how to set up either DT Pro or NinjaTrader, whichever one you use. And there will also be another thing in there that shows you information about the actual trades that we take in the live trading room. You know, I'll go over some of that information here now, but there'll be more of it in there for you. Okay, and you can watch it slowly then. All right, so right now I am going to proceed with the actual trades that we took today. Okay, now we'll start out in crude, though we didn't make any money in crude today. There was just a short trade right here that would have made some money. It was right down off the BBC right there. Okay, on crude we had a loss and then a win. I don't remember where the win was. I think it was over here. We took a long trade, I think. Not in there, not in there. I know somewhere. We took a short and then a long, I think. That's how it worked out. And we ended up with break even on the crude. Oh, you know what? The long was first. That's the problem. Here's the long over here. All right, we ended up with 8 ticks profit, and then we lost 8 ticks profit. That's what it was. All right, But at the open, let's go back here. Pre-market had some activity, but when the open happened, there was a shorting opportunity right in here that we missed, a follow-up one right here that we missed. Then we were looking for it to put in a lower swing. It didn't do that until over here. And there was nothing up to here. This would have been a break-even trade had we taken it. But we missed it, and we grabbed this trade right here. I believe this isn't the trade. We took this trade right here. It was an 8 ticks profit is what we got on that trade. It was a down close off the BBC. We shorted it right there and took 8 ticks profit down here. It changed directions right in here, but we didn't have any divergence at the time, so we couldn't go long there. Okay, and we just watched it just collapse. Crude just collapsed. We finally, we didn't have setups on the way down here, so we weren't able to trade it until it got way down here, and then we finally shorted it, and it stopped us out and took the 8 ticks back. All right, when it started moving up like this, it was one long trade right here, and that was it on the long side. Since then, during the break, there was a long trade right in here, and up close off the BBC that you can see ran up quite nicely. And since then, there was just this short trade right here. And that's it. So the crude started out, I mean, it trended really well, you see. All this trending right here in the 10:30 to 11:30 hour, but it just didn't set up with the indicators because of the way that it started out. All right. So we had 2 trades on crude and we're break even. Let's do natural gas next. Okay. Because we didn't have much on the gas. We just had this one trade right here. It was a down close below the trend line. We took a short and we took 2 ticks profit on that. Okay, that was the only trade we took on the gas. I was looking to get another one off over there, but it didn't happen. All right, it just wasn't set up properly. Okay. Let's see. Let's do. Which one's going to have the most? Crude, gas. I guess it doesn't really matter. I'll do the gold next. I'll do the crude. I'll do the Russell next. The Russell is what I'll do. All right, you see the Russell was in and out of its weekly trading zones all morning. We were on the Russell from the beginning. Okay, we were trading it from the start. You can see the news events that came out this morning at 8:30 pushed the markets around a little bit. Okay, pushed them around just a little bit in the pre-market. Then we had topping action right in here. All right, the first trade that we took, I think this was the first trade of the day that we took, was right here. It was a short trade on the Russell. We took 4 ticks profit on that one. And the next trade that we took was right here, again on the Russell. And we took 6 ticks profit on that one. That is when we met our goal for the day. You see that's 21 minutes in. Then we proceeded to miss this one and this one. And we didn't want to take this one over here because the cycle was going up too far. All right, the cycle was going up at too steep of an angle. It changed directions in here. We missed the long trade that was right in here. Okay, off the BBC, we missed the long trade in there. We missed follow-up. Well, that wouldn't really been anything right in there. There was one long trade in here that we had missed. Okay. Changed directions again. There was a shorting opportunity right here, right down into the weekly trading zone. That was a momentum trade down there, guys. It finally dropped all the way through the zone. And I'm just going to say this, anybody that went to any of the seminars, but the Chicago seminar, particularly since that was the most recent one, you would have found ways to trade this that were different. Any of the active partners, there's 164s all over the place, 137Bs all over the place. There's a lot of opportunity in here. Anyway, the down close right here below the trend line was, that right there was good for 12 ticks. That put us at plus 22. Then we had a break-even trade here. Right over here, we took 2 more ticks profit, put us at plus 24. And nothing on that one. This one here, we took 7 ticks profit, put us at plus 31. Okay, then we had a break-even there. We missed a trade here. We missed a trade here. We stopped out on this one. That put us back down to 23. I believe that's where we ended with the Russell. Yep, that is definitely where we ended with the Russell. All right, so we're plus 23 ticks on the Russell. Plus 31 up until this trade right here. In here, I missed, there's a trade right in here that I missed on the long side. I think the reason we didn't take this is because the ES was too close to a zone. So there were some opportunities in here that we didn't take on the Russell because of the location of the ES. Since then, let's see. There was a shorting opportunity there, then too close to the weekly trading zone there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. There was a shorting opportunity right here. Okay, they dropped it all the way down there. Nothing there. A long opportunity right in here. Didn't put in a higher swing. Now it's got the higher swing, but you lost your divergence. So now you have bearish divergence, but you're not trending down. You're trending up. So I wouldn't do anything with the Russell right now, but there was a ton of opportunity in there today, and we ended with plus 23 ticks on the Russell. Okay. Now, the next thing that I'm going to talk about is... Why does he keep calling when I'm doing this? William, don't call when I'm doing the webinar, when I'm doing the recording. The next thing that I want to talk about is gold. All right, gold. Now, on the gold, let's see what we got. Look at all that. Yellen was speaking today. She was speaking, so this right here, this move down, some of our partners did really well with this. I got 20 ticks right here on this move, but from where we started, way up here, all the way down here, was just about $1,000 trade if you would have taken it all. I know we got some of our partners got 50 ticks out of it, 30, 40. If you add them all up, I got 43, but it wasn't all in that space. Okay, my first trade on the gold was right here. Okay, it was a loss of 8 ticks right there. I missed this nice long trade right in here, but I lost this one right here. That put me at -8. My next trade was right here. That put me at plus 3. Okay, then this one put me at plus 13. Then this one right over here put me at plus 23, something like that. I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah, we're -8. Look at that, -8. Then we had, oh no, we had a big move. The combination of these two put me at plus 11. That's what it was. Then we had a break even there. Then we had this one here that was a 22 tick trade, put me at plus 31. A 20 tick trade put me at plus 31. Sorry. And then it flattened out, but this was all within like a minute here. See right here at 10:55:51. This is all 1 second. Nope, 5 seconds. Sorry, 5 seconds. And then over here we had some more opportunity and we got long, so we went from 31. My first one, this is 2 arrows right here, I think, was a break even. Then my next one was plus 7 ticks. Well, my first one was plus 1 tick. Then my next one was plus 7 ticks. And then the one after that was plus 4 ticks. Okay. And that is where we ended the morning on gold. We're at plus 43 ticks on gold today on 7 trades. I know it's all crunched up in there, but since then, during the break, there was a long opportunity right here. Change directions, and you would have been looking to short. Knowing only what we do in the live trading room, using only what we do in the live trading room, you would have been looking to short right here. Okay. But everyone who is an active partner or who goes to the seminars, you are armed with more information, additional information to take advantage of all these moves. There were a ton of opportunities in there today. Let's see, I am going to minimize that and that. And let me bring the spreadsheet back over again. I'll show you that. All right, this is our spreadsheet. On the month, we are currently up $3,787.50 a contract on the month of July. And that's it. Today we were up $600 and something a contract, I think. 430, 450, 680. We were up $680 a contract today. Right? So I think our high was 760, I think, when we were at our highest point in the day. So it wasn't too far off the high of the day. All right. Now, if you have not taken a free trial with us and you want to take a free trial with us, then you just need to go here to our homepage at CFRN.net, put in your name, your email address, click register for a free trial. This has got to be a valid email address, because if you put in a bogus one, you're not going to get the confirmation link, and we will never know that you took the free trial. Okay? That's it. That's all there is to it, guys. With that, I'm going to wrap it up, and well, we'll see if Dwayne's done. If Dwayne's done, we can wrap it up. But if Dwayne's not done, then we cannot wrap it up. Going to shut off the recording now. Does anybody have any questions? Jim, you must have a question.